clean my dining and living room with me today. First things first is we're gonna start sweeping up all this dirt, and I'm just gonna start sweeping it all the way from the dining room to the living room. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm making sure that I get all the dirt and hair and everything that I don't want on the floor into a pile. And now I'm going to sweep everything all up and throw it in the trash. Now I'm making some water in a bucket now that I've done sweeping. And I'm going to put some Fabuloso and some wax into my bucket and mix it all up real good with the water and put my mop in it. Now that I've done that and I made my mop water, I'm going to clear off the table. I'm going to make sure everything's off the floor. I'm going to wipe everything down with some spray before I get to the bucket and get to mopping. I'm going to wipe down everything and make sure everything's clean. Wipe the counters, well, not the counters, but the coffee tables, the couch, and the dining table, both of the dining tables, which you cannot see both in this video, but I have two. One's a kid's table and one's a dining table. And I'm going to also wipe off the TV entertainment center. Oh, and as well as the chairs, I also wipe those down. And I'm doing this in a certain way because I don't want to wipe everything down off the counters with all the dirt and clutter, and I have to, sweep it all back up. Oh, and I've already swept to make sure that everything is clean. Now I'm going to begin mopping my floors, and I started over there by the front door in the hallway, and I'm just gonna work my elbow grease into the floors and hope that I can get all this dirt up. Oh, and there goes the light. It wants to cut on finally on me when it was supposed to be on this whole time. I guess this video knew it was about to be over. Ooh, I am so tired of this mopping, but it has to be done. Feel it in my back and everything. I guess I can't complain because at least it's a workout. And I'm going to have a clean house after this too. So, I mean, I can't complain too much. I have 5 children, so I have to make sure I clean at least every 1 to 2 days, like deep clean, because I got a family of 7 and I have to make sure that everything is clean and everything's in its place so nobody gets sick and everybody has a clean home, and it actually uplifts the mood when you have a clean, nice home. That's why when I clean, I feel a lot better once my house is clean. And when I'm depressed or I'm upset or I'm sad about something, then I go and I start cleaning the whole house. It's helped me cope with a lot of things. And now that I'm finishing up mopping and doing this last little section around the little table and the big table, I am going to end this video just a little while, and I would love to thank everybody, each and every one of you, for watching my video and watching me clean my dining and living room. And I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe.